Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a stock muffler louder. Start by inspecting the exhaust for rust, holes, and loose clamps. Plan whether you will use baffles, resonator delete, or an aftermarket muffler. Gather basic tools like wrenches, penetrating oil, and gloves. Keep safety first and have a helper for heavy parts. Prepare to test at low revs and adjust progressively for the sound you want. In this video, I will show how to make a stock muffler louder. Begin with simple mods like removing packing or drilling resonator holes for a noticeable sound change. Try a resonator delete or straight pipe for a more aggressive tone, keeping attention to drone at cruising speeds. Consider swapping to a high-flow muffler for sustained volume and improved throttle response. Always retort clamps and check for leaks after testing. In this video, I will show how to make a stock muffler louder. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for tunes while you wrench, and it pairs perfectly with a weekend garage session. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like so we can keep making useful guides. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make a stock muffler louder. After initial changes, tune for drone by testing under load and at highway speeds. Use small resonators or chambered sections to tame specific frequencies while keeping overall volume up. Adjust pipe diameter and muffler packing to refine tone without ruining comfort. Keep records of each change so you can revert or combine options until you find the right balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.